Hello and welcome to the second Group Trust client meeting. I would like to start the meeting off by taking the time to mention what will be discussed throughout. To that end, we have been hard at work since the last meeting using the clarification we received from you and have worked to put that information to use in designing what we feel is an adequate profile for the system we have in mind, and this system is one that we feel will rise to your needs. The prototype covers both the C# aspects of the program and the database sides of the program. With that, I'll pass you over to Abdullah so he can talk about his area of expertise, the end user interface and the C# aspect of the program.
Hello, my name is Abdullah Hergen. Today I will be talking about the first prototype of our C# solution. So far, we have a system that can hash the file, and also it's asking for the necessary data from the user. Let's say we would like to hash a file. We will click this three dotted buttons over here, and we will select the file we would like to hash, and we need to fill these details in: organization ID, name, address, and details. And when we click this button called hash, it will get all this information from here and the MD5 hash into the database with the time, the currently time and date, and it will pass it into the database and it will store it there. So far, we don't have any connection between the solution and the system. We will be working on that this week and next week. And my colleague Elliot will be talking about the database of this system in the next video. Thank you.
Hi, I am Elliot, and I will be discussing the ideas we have created in relation to the API and database side of the project. As we are working with the Ledger database, we have to create a driver so that the application that we've created can connect to the database. We have done this in the net driver as the C# application needs to be created, and it can be shown in the code snippets involved. Next, we are looking at the database itself, which has been created for us. There are two tables within that, called the Organizations and Artifacts table. You can query this through the environment and the query editor using select statements to show what is inside both tables. Finally, as verification is a big part of this solution, having that part in the database environment is important, and you can verify a document through stating the ledger you have created, the block address, and the document ID. This is important so that when the receiver gets the document, they can verify that it is correct. Thank you for your time.